Hi everyone, this is English 3's instructional video for week 23. Your assignments for the week are 7, 12, 13, and 14. The learning target this week is I can identify the components of a personal experience essay and write my own. All right, personal experience essays. People mainly write about things they know most about. The personal narrative is a common form of nonfiction, which is true. Some write about humorous moments in their lives. Many write about meaningful experiences. You're going to read an excerpt from Harriet A. Jacobs, aka Linda Brent, Incidents in the Life of a Slave Girl, 7 Years Concealed, written by herself. So that's going to be the essay, a personal experience essay that you are going to be focusing on. All right, for the explore portion, I'd like you to read this PDF to learn about the elements of a personal essay. I have a video I'd also like you to watch that shows what should be included in a personal experience essay, and then I have some flashcards that I'd like you to look through that show the components of these essays. So please take a few moments to complete these activities. All right, for the explain portion, in a Google Doc, write about the important components of a personal essay. So what do you need to include? For the evaluate section, I have a quick quiz I'd like you to take to show what you learned about personal essays. For the elaborate portion, in your Google Doc that you started, please write a small personal experience essay of your own. And there's the rubric in this link that will show how you'll be scored. And then finally, for the express portion, now that you have worked on learning more about personal experience essays, how do you feel about your progress? Please read through these statements, choose the one that best suits you, and write that in your Google Doc. And also in your Google Doc, I'd like you to answer the question, how can you use what you learned in the future? All right, I hope you have a wonderful week, and please let me know if you have any questions or concerns about anything. All right, thanks.